Welcome back to Ipswich Repairs. I'm going to do a quick video on a jackhammer repair. It's a very common fault with these. The power cord fails. Sometimes it fails up in the back of the pivot point here where it clamps down. Sometimes it fails at this pivot point here, and occasionally it even fails at the back of the plug. Okay, so now we've determined the fault, we need to fix it. So in this case, we're going to take the handle off. Depending on the design, could be a million different ways, but I like doing it in the case, that way you don't drop screws. Once you get all the screws and the fasteners out, flip it around, then you can slide the handle off, and then you're left with your electronics. Once you find the way the cable's connected, which once again changes depending on the machine, you take the old cable out, put the new one on, remembering your strain relief. Basically just bolt it back up the way you took the old one off is pretty easy. Getting it all back in there and tight can be a tricky situation, especially getting the handle on. Sometimes it gives you all sorts of grief. Get all the screws back in and double check everything while you're there, make sure everything's tight and it's all ready to go, and that you've done everything up that you need to do. Here is a extension lead I prepared earlier. By earlier I mean like just now. So there we go. So we give it a quick wiggle this way and a quick wiggle this way. Beautiful. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.